Hello, Sushikins. So during this dinner, we got uh new this new fufu because I usually do a egg roll, sesame chicken, a box of rice besame and some sushi. But we got the new ones. We got lettuce wraps, double delight, and Szechuan chicken with some sushi. So this is kind of new because my parents want me to eat new wants me to eat new give me a new things to eat. So as Chinese. So yes. Alright, so first off is a lettuce wraps. Sushi, yeah. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. And now with this rice with biscuit Mrs. Double Delight. Mmm. Mmm. And now this is just one second. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. And now, if Emily, my new sister, watches this, I'm using my new chopsticks because my new sister got them at Amazon. So she doesn't like me eating with my wooden spoons non-usable, so Mrs. Usable in teeth also. So yes. Alright, let's get a sushi. Sushi, yeah. I'm missing sushi. Mmm. 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 So good. My meal, so good. Alright, so my next meal also this Boo Boo. It's a fun nice master wake up. And then on Saturday there's a Boo Boo. So thinking who was my favorite guys, please smash that button. And there's a comment below my comment section. Smash that notification bell. And smash that subscribe button to see all the videos I have. If you're new to Scrabble, go to my YouTube channel, type in consider channel, and smash that button, subscribe button. We're talking about sponsor me on my YouTube channel. Please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I have tools for you. Sushi, yeah.